Have you ever wondered why you toss and turn at night, even when you feel tired? What if I told you the answer might not be in your brain, but deep inside your gut? It sounds a little strange, doesn't it? But science is showing us that the trillions of tiny organisms living in your digestive system. Your gut bacteria might be playing a huge role in how well you sleep. These microscopic residents aren't just helping you digest your lunch. They could be the secret conductors of your sleep-wake symphony. This is a fantastic example of how interconnected our bodies truly are. Think about it. We often blame stress, a busy mind, that late afternoon cup of coffee. Those are definitely factors, but new research is pointing at something much smaller and alive, your microbiome. This bustling community is made of bacteria, fungi, other microbes. They are sending signals all over your body, communicating with your brain. It's a bustling, microscopic city in there. Its daily activities might influence whether you get a restful 8 hours or spend your nights staring at the ceiling. This connection isn't just a wild guess. It's based on real science. Researchers study gut health of people who sleep well and compare it to those who suffer from insomnia. Now let's talk about insomnia. It's not just feeling tired. Insomnia is a persistent medical condition that makes it very difficult to get the sleep you need to feel rested. People with insomnia might lie awake for hours. Insomnia means trouble, falling asleep, staying asleep, getting good quality sleep. It's more than one bad night. It's persistent and affects health and happiness. Clues suggest specific types of gut bacteria could make insomnia more or less likely. So while you're lying there trying to count sheep, there's a whole other world of activity inside you. These tiny life forms produce chemicals. Some travel from your gut all the way to your brain. It's like a long-distance telephone call, and your brain is listening in. Their messages can influence mood, your immune system, your ability to drift off into dreamland. This idea is revolutionizing how we think about sleep. Consider this. Your gut is a galaxy of life. So why is this discovery so important? They conducted a huge study looking at the health data of more than 400,000 people. That's like studying the entire population of a large city. Their goal was to hunt for connections between the genetic makeup of a person's gut bacteria and their risk of having insomnia. By analyzing this massive amount of information, they could spot patterns impossible to see in a small group. It was a monumental task of data crunching, all aimed at answering a simple question. Do our gut microbes affect our sleep? The scale of this research is what makes its findings so powerful and exciting. The results were remarkable. The study found a strong link between certain types of gut bacteria and a person's likelihood of experiencing insomnia. They identified several groups of bacteria more common in people who slept soundly. People who struggled with insomnia often had lower levels of these beneficial bacteria. This doesn't mean the bacteria are the only cause of insomnia, but it does show a very strong association, a powerful clue pointing scientists in a new direction. Science is a process of discovery. The researchers found a strong correlation, in other words, a connection. However, they haven't proven exactly how these bacteria influence sleep. For one, it completely changes how we think about treating sleep problems. For decades, the focus has been almost entirely on the brain. Most sleeping pills, for example, work by targeting brain chemistry to induce sleep. While they can be helpful for some people in the short term, they often come with side effects and don't address the root cause of the problem. This new research suggests we might have been looking in only one of the right places. By turning our attention to the gut, we open up a whole new world of possibilities for helping people sleep better. The idea: populate your internal city with helpful residents that support healthy sleep. This approach, Psychobiotics, aims to treat neurological or psychiatric issues by improving gut health. It's a gentler, more holistic way of thinking about wellness. This could lead to personalized sleep solutions. The science is just beginning, but the future of rest is looking very, very promising. Now that's something to sleep on.